The BESTMIG 200A Welder is a versatile 6-in-1 machine that combines multiple welding functions including gasmig, gasless flux core, and lift TIG, catering to various applications from automotive repairs to industrial tasks. Its professional-grade build features a real 200 ampere output with a 60% duty cycle, ensuring it can handle heavy-duty tasks with ease and reliability. This welder can work with a wide range of metals, such as carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, offering versatility and efficiency in any welding job. Equipped with a fully digital microcontroller unit and high-integrity circuit design, this machine provides precise control and stable welding quality for diverse materials and thicknesses. The innovative LED display enhances user interaction by providing accurate data readings, allowing welders to monitor settings without removing their helmets. Safety is a priority with its industrial shield system that offers triple protection against overheating, overvoltage, and overcurrent, ensuring safe and continuous operation for extended periods.